Are you looking forward to buy Milwaukee Brewers ticket online? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy the tickets. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and in the address bar search for ticketmaster.com. Once you're in the official page of Ticketmaster, click on sign in or register at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have been logged in into your specific account, you need to select the location and the date of the specific ticket. And then in this section, simply enter Milwaukee Brewers. Once found the show, click on it. It will land you on this page. Now in this page, you have to scroll all the way down. Click on the specific date and the ticket that you want to purchase. Click on Find Tickets. Now select the amount of ticket that you want to purchase. Once you've selected the numbers of ticket, tons of different seats will be available to you. You can set the amount as well. Now from here, select the specific seat that you want to buy. Once selected, click on Reserve Tickets at the bottom of the screen. After that, follow the on-screen process and your ticket will be reserved. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.